Budget 2026 tactically attempts to refine the indirect tax landscape to boost Make in India and advances indirect tax simplification to promote manufacturing, exports, and self-reliance. The pruning of exemptions to further streamline customs tariff is a welcome move. The deletion of Section 13(8)(b) of the IGST Act to make intermediary supplies as export of services will definitely give a fillip to the industry. Targeted BCD exemptions covering critical mineral processing, aviation and aircraft components, and 17 cancer drugs including solar glass inputs, battery storage, and seafood and leather inputs are also encouraging. These measures, alongside the roadmap to correct GST inverted duty structures, increasing advance ruling validity, looks forward to a friction-free, simplified tax environment that encourages and fosters compliance and accelerates sustainable growth. The SEZ regime will experience a pivot from isolated enclaves to an integrated economic hub. The proposed duty structure for DTA clearances is a welcome move. The steps proposed for capacity utilization for manufacturing units will certainly breathe fresh air into such units. Further, the ability to accept INR payments from DTA units will ease up forex hurdles for SEZ units. Overall, Budget 2026 prioritizes liquidity. By unlocking stuck ITC and integrating SEZs with the domestic market, the industry can expect a 10 to 15% reduction in compliance cost. All in all, this is a forward-thinking budget.